Hello and welcome to my video Outdoor LED Colored Spotlights by Luminary Smart. This is an unboxing of what comes in the box, but before I open the box, let me tell you a little bit about the box itself on the outside. So inside there are 6 spotlights. They are outdoor spotlights and waterproof. You can put them inside if you needed to, but they're outdoor waterproof. They're RGBAI. That means they are red, green, blue with an AI chip that allows the red, green, and blue colors to blend together to make millions of other kinds of colors in different shades as well. So this is a 6-pack. The length is 56 feet long. And then it can make up to, let me show you this, 16 million color combinations. Okay. On the side of the box, it says home. On this side of the box, let's talk about this side here. Okay, so this strand of 6 spotlights has app dimming, optional modes, 16 million colors, shades, and just unbelievable amount of modes and shades of color that you can produce on your app. So it's voice control. Once you download the app, you can do all these things. So you download your app, which is free. You can music sync all the spotlights to do many, endless combinations of slow fades or strobing or just different colors. Every other light could be programmed individually. And then there's a timer, so if you want the lights to come on automatically through the app, they will come on at 5:30 in the winter, and they can go off at 5 in the morning. They can stay on, but you can time them. If you just want them on for 4 hours or you want them on for 8, you can time them to come on and turn off by themselves. And again, there's group control. So if you have a larger area where you want to link 4 or 5 different spotlights of 6 strands together all around your entire house, you can group those together on your app, and then you can program each strand to do something differently, or you can program them to do all the same combination that you choose. Okay, so that is talking about the app on the side of the box. And again, over here you have the specifications right there. So I'm just not really going to talk about that, but there are the specifications. If I can keep it steady. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it back around here, and I'm going to slide this one over, and I'm going to open a brand new box. I'm literally going to unbox this right in front of you. So what I'm going to do is, it comes sealed. So I am going to unseal this right on camera. So I have not looked inside here in this box. Let's open it up. It comes like that. Pull this up. And let's see what comes in here. Exactly how it comes. Okay, so the first thing is we have individual bags, and these are the stakes that go in the ground for each light. So let's open up the little bag, here. Let's pull out the stakes and let's see what's in here. So it looks like there are 2 screws as well, and one fell down in there, but so this will attach to the light, and then we will screw this down, and then this will go into the ground. So it's like a ground stake. So let's remove that. So you get 6 ground stakes and 6 screws. Okay, this is right there. Now, also, we can help. So let's open this up. So this is the Luminary Smart RGBA Outdoor Spotlight User Manual. So it comes with the product notes, the application connection, facts, important information, app-to-app voice control. So this is where you would download your app and install it onto your cell phone. And it tells you how to register, log in, all the individual things where you can control each individual spotlight. So I'm just going to flip through here. This is the app manual. Connect your AP mode. This is a lot of information. You would have to read all this, but this is how you control the spotlights on your phone to make tons of different combinations. And then you can group control one strand to another strand, as many as you want. I don't know how many strands you can group, but on your phone you can probably group 5 or 6, 7, 8 strands or more. So that is the Luminary Smart RGB AI, which is AI is a chip, and this is an outdoor light user manual. Comes in with this. Okay, so next what comes in here is the remote control. Again, the remote control is in a little plastic container. There are no batteries, so you need to install 2 little batteries there. And then now you can do more control in modes and combinations with the own phone app. You can't do all those combinations with the remote control. But if you just want to do the remote control and you do not want to download the app and control these with the app, you can just use this. So the remote control has like certain modes. You can dim the lights less, you can dim the lights more. You have auto, where you can just change different colors like that. Very simple. And then little modes, maybe they can blink, maybe they can fade, maybe they can just certain default modes in there. And then you got your red, your green, your blue, and then your whites, and then your CWs. Okay. Next, what comes in here is the adapter. So this will adapt to the end of the 56-foot spotlight strand, and then you'll take this part of the adapter and you will connect the adapter onto here, press it down, and then turn and tighten down the bolt. And also you want to remove this. This protects these prongs from becoming bent during shipment. So it just plugs into the wall. So we're going to take this out. This is the 56-foot. Okay, so then again on here, you just have another button, which is a manual button, which you can click. And you can also just turn the lights on. You click through another one, and you can go through other different modes as well. Again, if you want to use this or the remote control, you do not need the phone app. But if you want to do tons of endless combinations, download the app onto your phone. All right, so we have the 56-foot cable, which is already tied up nicely. You have to undo all that. And then from here, you've got this lead wire. This wire plugs into the adapter, and then it leads to the button. And then inside we have, let's take these out and lay them here, the 6 spotlights. And then of course the screw. All right, so let's say, here we are. So each spotlight comes in some bubble wrap. Let's take off the bubble wrap. And there's one spotlight. Let's take off another bubble wrap. It's like Christmas. Okay. So then you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spotlights, of course. Now I'm going to show you how these will assemble. So you're going to take your ground stake, and you're going to take this hole here, and you're going to put the screw in like that. So you're putting it in just like that, and then you're going to screw this down. Let's see how easy it is. Okay, so I'm going to turn that, hold the screw, just like this, hold the screw, turn the stake until it tightens. Okay, it's nice and tight. And now you would do, of course, all 6 spotlights with the stake, and then the spotlight can rotate, deciding if you want to light the sidewalk, or you could light the house, or you could light the trees. You could light your footing or anywhere, the bushes. So this is a really nice spotlight. Okay, so the average life of these spotlights is 15,000 hours, which would come out to be about 625 days if you never cut them off. So 625 days, if you turn them on and never turn them off, is how long the average life would last with the spotlights. So again, these cost around $70. These cost about $70. Also, again, the RGB AI, the red, green, blue AI, which is a technology allowing the lights to mix colors and change gradually at the same frequency. So that's the AI chip that is inside of each spotlight. These spotlights have, again, this AI chip which allows up to 16 million colors by taking the red, green, and blue. With that AI chip being in every one of these lights, you can have up to 16 million endless animated light modes and colors. Okay, I do hope you enjoyed my video of the outdoor LED colored spotlights by Luminary Smart. And again, thank you for watching.